Prepare green pipe cleaners and 2 rings. Apply glue to the green pipe cleaner and fix it onto the circular ring. Wrap the entire length around the ring. Wrap a pipe cleaner around the lower left corner and the lower right corner respectively. Cut a 40 cm long rope. Fold in half and place it in the middle of the ring. Fold upwards separately, then apply glue for fixation. Fix the green twist rod to the ring with glue and wrap it. Wrap the entire ring with green pipe cleaners. When it reaches the bottom of the rope, attach a bell and continue to wind up. Prepare green and red pipe cleaners. Connect the 3 pipe cleaners together to form a whole piece. And the same goes for green. Each color is connected to 2 whole pieces. Align the 3 pipe cleaners of the same color. Wrap around a wooden stick with a diameter of 0.8 centimeters. Push inward and remove. Repeat the same steps in green. Prepare 18 pieces of each color. Pass the same colored pipe cleaner that was just connected through the circle. Repeat the same steps in red. Take out the prepared rings. Apply glue on the ring and fix the completed components top onto the ring. Wrap the tail and fix it with glue. Fix the red color on top of the green color, using the same operation. If the interface position is loose, you can If the interface position is loose, give it a turn to tighten it. Just put the rope in the middle and it will be fine. Wrap the entire ring tightly. If there are insufficient parts, continue to connect the pipe cleaners and add circles. Align the circles and then subtract the extra parts. Pass the tail through the initial circle. After winding, fix it with glue. Red performs the same operation. Adjust the position of the interface to be level. After the adjustment is completed, start assembling the accessories. Fix the gift box on the bottom with glue. Fix the remaining small decorations with glue. Take out a rope. Hold the tail with your index finger and middle finger, and wrap it around your hand twice. Pass through your hand. Pull it over from the bottom loop, and tighten it. Adjust. Trim the tail symmetrically. Apply glue to the back end. Fix it directly above the wreath. Repeat the same operation to make another bow knot, and fix it on the other side. Complete.